From a live web page to a structured dataset, Minexa.ai compresses days of engineering work into a few clicks or a single API call to scrape real estate listings quickly and easily. Navigate to the kleinanzeigen.de page you want to scrape. Minexa.ai works whether you extract manually or use an API pipeline for large-scale processing. Open the Minexa.ai extension in your browser to start scraping. It works directly on dynamic, fully loaded pages without extra setup. Click the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page" so Minexa.ai can analyze the layout and detect the real estate listings automatically. Minexa.ai detected the pagination and will handle all pages automatically, so nothing gets cut off after the first page. Choose List Only for quick datasets or detail pages if you want to extract more in-depth information linked from each listing. Most pages only require you to click Continue, but switch to Advanced mode if the site changes based on your actions. Check the highlighted section. Minexa.ai selected the container wrapping all the listings, detecting all columns inside automatically during analysis. All fields are listed here, including hidden HTML data. You can select relevant ones like price, location, size, and description for your real estate scraping needs. Click the API request button to get code that returns only the fields you need, or let Minexa.ai choose the most relevant ones automatically. Validate and complete your configuration. This ensures your scraper returns consistent, accurate data with every run. Minexa.ai confirms multi-page extraction by detecting the next page button automatically, allowing the scraper to move through all results without stopping. Validate your scraping job and connect Google Sheets if you want results to land there automatically after each run. The last step is to click Run and start extraction. Minexa.ai handles dynamic content, lazy loading, and client-rendered pages automatically. Every row in this dataset is a confirmed match. If the page structure changes, Minexa.ai flags errors instead of mixing wrong data. Typical fields include price, location, size, and descriptions from the real estate listings. Download your extracted data as Excel for quick analysis, or JSON to plug into your tools and workflows. Install Minexa.ai and go from any website to a structured dataset in minutes. No selectors, no infrastructure, no maintenance required.